Hello everyone. Welcome to English and today we will learn about the sound of letter P. This is the letter P and its sound is P. P. So let's say it 5 times.
P, 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 P.
Wow, that's great. Now let's see some words starting with P. Parrot,
Parrot,
peacock,
Peacock,
penguin,
Penguin,
potato,
Potato,
parachute,
Parachute,
pulses,
Pulses,
pastry,
Pastry,
pinwheel,
Pinwheel,
pizza,
Pizza,
pantry.
Pantry.
Great! So now as we know many words starting with P sound, let's add and make some more words starting with P. P. Add.
Bat,
P. Am.
Bam,
P. An.
Ban,
P. At.
Bat,
P. O.
Ball,
P. Egg.
Pig,
P. In.
Pen,
P. Et.
Pet,
P. Pig.
Pig,
P. In.
Pin,
P. Ip.
Pip,
P. It.
Pit,
P. Odd.
Pod,
P. Om.
Bomb,
P. Op.
Pop,
P. Ot.
Pot,
P. Ub.
Pub,
P. Up.
Pup,
P. Ur.
Purr,
P. Us.
Bus,
P. Ut.
Put.
Awesome! Today we have learned so many P words. Keep practicing and we will meet again in next session. Goodbye.